Hello guys, welcome back to DP Design Learning Solidworks Sketch Relations. So in this video, we are going to talk about how to give the sketch relations like a horizontal, vertical, coincident, tangent, this kind of relation we have to give, right? This is very important in the sketch. Like if I'm creating a circle and if I want to tangent to this edge of the rectangle, so what you have to do, you have to select the circle and make sure you are in the sketch, right? So you have to select the circle, press the control and select the edge. As you can see, whatever relation is possible, it will be there. Either you can fix it. So if you don't have the right to fully define the sketch from the under defined, so what you can do, you can just fix it. Okay, but that's very weird method. Okay, that's not what I prefer while sketching, right? Make sure you give the perfect dimension and make it fully defined. So if I will give the equal length, so tangent, so what it will do, it will create the tangency between edge and the circle, right? So why it is getting bigger and smaller? Because I have not given the diameter, right? So to fix it, what will I do? I will do the sketch 450 and I will give the dimensions over this. Sorry, I have to fix it vertically. So as you can see, I am moving the circle in the horizontal. So I have to give the relation between this point and this point. How you will give? You can give the vertical, right? So you have to select the points, 2 points, and whatever possible relation is there, so it will come. Like I want to give the vertical, so it will come the vertical. Now it is fixed now. Now if you want to see the relation, you can just go to this menu and you can select the relation on, right? So it will create the relation annotations. So as you can see, this is the horizontal, this is the tangency, this is the coincident, this is the vertical, right? This is the parallelism is there, right? So that's how you can just see. Just like if I want to give these two lines a parallelism, so how you will do, you can just select two lines and you can make it a parallel. If my line is something like that and I want to make it a collinear, okay, so how you will do, you can just select two and make it a collinear. Now you can see the relation as well. If I don't want to mess this up by relation only, so you can just click it off, display or delete the relation. You can delete the relation as well. Let's say I want to delete this relation, so it will get erased, right? I don't want to see the relation for now, so what will I do? What other is remaining? Like if I want to give the perpendicularity, so I will select the both and I will give the perpendicularity, right? If I want this line equal length, what you have to do, you can just create the equal and it will get equal. And if you want to increase this, let's say I'm fixing it, fix. Now if you will increase this, it will get increase as the same because you have given the equal command, right? As you can see, equal command is there. So that's how you can give the relation in the sketches, right? Now what relation we have to give? Okay, I've created the arc. Now you want to make it a tangent, so what you can do, you can just select the both and you can give the tangent. Now you can select, so it will remain the tangency, right? Wherever it will go, it will be in a tangent. Now I want to show you what if it, like if I want to give this horizontal and giving the vertical as well, so it will mess this up. How you will do, like if I'm giving this line a horizontal and if I give it a vertical, what will happen? It will clearly say no, so it will give the red relation. It means it is a overdefined sketch. You cannot work in the 3D whenever you have the overdefined sketch, right? You have the right to use the 3D when you have underdefined sketch, but I am not preferring that. make sure you have the fully defined sketch, then you move on to the 3D. Okay, so whenever you have this kind of over defined sketch, then you have to delete the relations, right? It is over defined sketch. So that's how you can give the relations. So that's it for the video, and thank you so much. Keep sharing, keep learning.